Hello everyone. Watch this video to the end and you will receive a promo code to download professional sewing patterns. My name is Tatiana Vu. I've been a fashion designer for over 12 years and have been developing clothes, as well as developing patterns for sewing clothes for the whole family. 10 years ago, I created the children's clothing brand Bukids, where I developed bright and practical children's clothes for all seasons. Just look at the products we sewed for our clothing brand. The Bukids brand clothes were worn by children of celebrities. Now I am the creator of a magazine with fashion patterns, which will soon be published in English. Look at the products that my team and I create. I've loved sewing and modeling clothes since childhood, but I always lacked high-quality patterns for my sewing creativity. That's why I've been creating professional sewing patterns for 10 years now, which anyone can use at home and feel like a designer. What's special about my patterns? Firstly, we create professional sewing patterns. This means that it's possible to sew large batches of clothes using such patterns, as well as single items at home being a sewing beginner. High-quality patterns save time and materials and ensure the precision that is so important in the process of creating clothes. Secondly, it's design. In each pattern, I strive to combine aesthetics and practicality so that your products become the true embodiment of comfort and style. And as I've promised, a special gift for my subscribers. Use the promo code CREATE when purchasing any pattern and get a 20% discount on your order. This promo code is my gratitude for your trust and support. Follow the link below this video to our website. Use the promo code when buying and download patterns with benefit.